Hello everyone! Today I am going to be unboxing this package of 9 different Korean skincare products that I am very excited to open. I have been waiting to open this because I have had this sty on my eye for like a week now and it still hasn't gone away. And I don't think it's too noticeable on camera, thank God, I hope not. But if it ever ends up looking like that, that's why. It looks a lot better than 3 days ago where I fully looked like the Animal Crossing character getting stung by a wasp. So they did have a video on their YouTube channel where they talked about the products a little bit, but I don't like fully remember everything that's in this because the last time I watched that was like a week and a half ago. First up, okay, this one I do kind of remember. Oh, it's so cool. It's a little travel kit. So it comes with a moisturizing lotion, shampoo, and then a body wash, which will be great for whenever I get to travel again. I'm really hoping that'll happen soon. Let's go herd immunity. Let's go. Oh my god, wait, it's so cute. Wait. Okay, sorry. I got very excited. They have a little box inside the box and I just noticed that. I'm a mess. This is so cute. This is the Rovectin Clean Deep Cleansing Water. I normally use like a cleansing oil, but I'm actually really interested to test this out and see how this works. I have used the same cleansing oil for years at this point, and so it'll be nice to kind of have something different to test out. It's cruelty-free, 100% vegan, eco-friendly, easily removable label, which is good for recycling. That was the only thing that was outside of the box. I guess it just didn't fit in, but now we have like this like beautiful box. Open. Oh, it called me beautiful. What a lie, but thank you. We'll start with this one because I'm very excited. It's this little cute sunscreen. The reason I'm excited is because it's the perfect size to just take anywhere. I'll try it now because I've needed a sunscreen. Let's see how it feels. Ooh, it's kind of thick. That's good. I really like the smell. It just smells very clean. That's the best way to describe it. It is 50 SPF and I think I'm gonna use this all the time because I'm very, very pale and I need sunscreen. Next, let's do this. This is the Heimish Marine Care Eye Cream. I have these under eye like patches that I use, but I don't have like a real good eye cream. I bought a like eye cream stick. It has not worked very well, so I'm really hoping this will help because my under eyes are actually ridiculous. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a thick green color. I mean, the green color isn't thick. It's thick and also this green color. I realized that sounded off when I said it, but it's fine. Hold on, let me beauty guru this. Hey, there it goes. It looks like a face mask. Oh my god, it comes with a little thing to put it on your eyes. This is cute. This is what I've been missing out on by not having an eye cream. This is amazing. It says it's for brightening and anti-wrinkle, which is everything that I need in my life. Moving on, let's pick this one. It is the Pyunkang. I hope I said that mostly right. Calming Moisture Barrier Cream. This is one of there's 2 moisturizers in this, I believe. This one is a little tub. Ooh, the lid was slightly open when I pulled it out. It's fine. Whoa, that looked like fluffy. I don't have anything on my face right now, so I'll just... Ooh, okay. It's got like more of a gel type consistency. My skin is very dry, and so usually these types of consistency moisturizers are not the ones that I go toward. I usually go toward like real thick ones, but this is definitely nice and light. I know this brand is really good. I've heard a lot of good things about it, but I've never actually tried anything with them. Okay, I'm gonna do this one because it's like my favorite brand and I have never tried this product. It is the Real Charcoal Pad from Neogen. Neogen, their exfoliating pads are my absolute favorite skincare item probably, and I ran out and I need to get more. I've used them for years now and I'm absolutely in love with them, so I'm really excited to have this, and I am opening it now because I'm just very excited. Okay. Ooh, so like citrusy smelling. That was not what I expected. Okay, so it's these little black pads. The charcoal is supposed to be really good for helping to clear out pores and excess sebum, which, if I'm honest, I rarely have issues with like pore related things. Every now and then it does kind of happen, but I still think it could be useful, like just to clear anything up that might be left there. It smells really nice. I don't know. Okay, it reminds me of the Muji store. If you've ever been to Muji, that's like what it smells like. One thing I just saw, I'll do this one because I like what it says it does. It is the Vita B Source. It says that the concern is uneven skin tone, and it can help to lighten dark spots, which is important for me because I have like this discoloration on my upper lip that you can't see very much in video, which is great for me. But in real life, I notice it a lot, and so I've been, you know, doing a bunch of different things to try and get rid of it. I have this vitamin C cleansing bar that I use a lot and kind of target here and here, but I'm always interested in trying something different just to, you know, see if it'll help it out. All right, I have 2 more products. We're gonna go, let's go with this one first. This is the other moisturizer. It is the Benton Let's Carrot Moisture Cream. It is supposed to be a thicker cream, which is what I need. I'm almost out of my cream right now, actually. Let me put it on my other hand, switch it up a bit. Oh, that was maybe too much. Ooh, okay. It's actually not super thick. The other one does have a bit more of a gel consistency, and this one does feel a bit more like a cream, you know? But it's not like a thick cream, so I actually don't think it would like weigh your face down very much like some other moisturizers do. And the last product is the Real Barrier Extreme Cream Ampoule. From my memory, from when I looked up what an ampoule was before, it's like a serum, but a bit more, even more concentrated. Whenever I use the other ampoule I have, I use it after I use a toner. So I cleanse, sometimes double cleanse, toner, and then I'd use an ampoule or a serum. I usually don't use both because it feels like a lot on me, but either or usually works, and then the moisturizer after it kind of sets a little bit. This ampoule in particular says that it moisturizes, but also has a lot of ingredients that help to strengthen the barrier of your skin, which sounds great to me. I would like to strengthen the barrier of my skin, please. Those are all the products that I received. Big shout out to Style Korean for sending these to me. I'm still surprised that I got it, like, since it's so random. It was a shock. So definitely go check them out. I will be linking them in the description, and I'll try and also find the items on there. So if you're interested in looking into a specific item a little more, then you can find it more easier. How did I mess that up? So you can find it easier. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.